I didn't get the start up, but got that new exhaust on her. Looks so much better. I might post it. I took a video of doing this and this. I don't know if the old one came out to like here, and it was huge. So now I got this little bad boy. Don't look. But yeah, so much nicer. Whew. Another night of stay inside and heat up some chicken nuggets, or go find some food and get a chance to ride the bike. So we're gonna go ride the bike. We're gonna have a little bit of fun. ABS, go away. Did I? Oh, it's heavy. Yep. Chin is itchy. Ooh, first gear is loud now. I'm sorry, neighbors. I won't be here too much longer, though. Don't gotta worry about it. And then my new neighbors are gonna have to get used to it. I'm not trying to creep, but when I see lights on in someone's house and their windows are open or balconies open, I'm like, whoa, lights. I don't just stare in there like a weirdo. But I glance. I'm not gonna lie. I glance. Where should we go to eat? I asked that, but I have an idea. I have an idea. Something I've been craving for some reason, even though I was talking some mad shit the other night on it. I think I am gonna go get some McDonald's. I've been spending way too much on food lately. I'm going to like Chiloso and Chipotle and Raising Cane's and... well, I say it's a lot. Oh yeah, I had to shut up to listen to it. Oh yeah. She sounds a little mean now. This is the first ride with the exhaust on it. I'm sure other people don't appreciate it, but I sure do. Almost got run off the road. What was that? Yeah, wait. Yeah, last night when I dropped the bike off. Some idiot just started merging into my lane. I stared at him, and he literally was just looking over his left shoulder when he was merging right. What kind of logic is that? awkward. Love it when you fly by people and the light just hits red, so everybody's just right behind you like, well, look at this idiot. All that for nothing. But it wasn't for nothing. It was for that, right there. Whoa! Hello? You almost got honked at. What a bitch. That's alright, I'll catch up to her. White Honda Pilot. You're gonna get it. You are going to get it. So sweet. A lovely couple in love. A lovely couple in love. Oh yeah! I don't know if this is placebo, but I feel like with this new exhaust, I'm a little zippier. I guarantee it's probably just placebo. I think, like, you know, according to like the chart, you know, where I bought it, apparently it adds like 5 horsepower. You know, brings the weight down like 6-7 pounds. Adds a little torque, adds a little horsepower. This dude's following me. Is that my car? I mean, car. Idiot. Fun stuff, everybody. Braking service is done. I ain't got no limits. except for the ECU, which I am gonna get flashed probably soon. I don't know if that's a good thing though. I guess it depends on your perspective. Everybody else is probably not a good thing. For me, it's probably a really good thing. Left or right? Let's go right. I don't think any cops can sit over here. Whoop up. Whoop up. Waka waka. I don't trust that. I got a bug on my visor. I got a bug on my visor. Whose visor? My visor. What visor? This visor. I am too giddy right now. I think that's the perfect word. I'm just giddy. I didn't even know what this bike could really do for the past week. It's not even like I was, you know, adhering to the nothing over 6,000, nothing over 4,000. I definitely wasn't doing this, but I was giving it some biscuits. Hey, you get off that phone. I got so many mosquito bites from working on the bike earlier. All itchy. I should have reset my whatchamacallit, miles per gallon. I'm sitting at 68. Oh, whoa! Had to jump down real quick. Oh, whoa, 98. I didn't know it was real time. I thought it was average. I think there is a trip one though you can get to. I need to look at the manual, figure out how to do all that stuff. My sales guy, he told me, you know, when I picked it up, he went through like everything, but I was half paying attention and half just like, all right, dude, give me the keys. Let me get out of here. Let me rip. This. Alright, I like it now. Whoa! Boing. peace sign for not running me over. Did you do it? I feel like I have to yell for you to hear me in the mic, but I'm sure I'm probably just extra loud because I'm overcompensating for the exhaust, which I'm sure you could probably hear the difference, but I can definitely hear the difference. Good golly. Slow it down. We're in the city limits. Coming up on a school. Get out of this truck's blind spot. The weather is beautiful. It was hot as shit earlier. What is it right now? What is it right now? I don't know why I said it like that. It's 84. Probably just the speed. Here, let me help everybody. Put it in neutral. That'll make the light turn yellow. Okay. I'm sorry. I lied. Get these bugs off my face. Whoa. They didn't have any left turns. We had left turns and we had people. So why didn't the cameras pick up that we should have had a green with the left green for optimal traffic flow? I know stuff like that. Thank you for not killing me. Another left turn, another day. Or open left turn, whatever you want to call it. Whatever you want to, whatever you prefer. Open intersection, open left. Get me out of here. You see me bouncing up and down? Not in a good way? Is there a good way? Nah, that's probably a good way. Where there's a will, there's a way. I was getting kind of depressed. I only had one day or one night without my bike. And I was out of it. Sitting at home with my thoughts. It's never a good thing. That spiral starts to get out of control. Yeah, I'd be dead if I got a liter bike immediately. Whew. I would be a goner for sure already. Because I think this thing's fast. which I feel like it is, especially for being a 400. It's pretty zippy. Oh, she's having a rough day. I'm sorry, sweetheart. I don't call people sweetheart. It just felt like the right thing to do. You're too slow. Get off the roads. Get into first, right now. Okay. Boop. Boop. Oh yeah, we're here. We're here. Should I get a picture with the golden arches? Yes, I should. I'm posting that right now. Okay. Peace out.